last, we are finally back after so long. After all the exams, all the preparation, after all of that, we're finally back. I'm happy to be back, to be honest, and hope you are happy to see me. So yeah, for the first video back, I thought we'd do something based on popular requests. So yeah, for the videos to come, we're going to be remastering the horror game series.
Oh yeah!
We're going to be creating a scarier, bigger, better horror game that you lot should hopefully like. For this first video, we won't actually be making anything, but what I wanted to do is I want to ease you into the video softly. So I'm going to be going over the whole game plan, pretty much, what the game is going to be about, and yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so we're in the map, and this is pretty much what the map looks like. It's a nice first draft. So yeah, don't worry, we're going to be expanding from here. So how does the game work? Well, let me tell you. Actually, on notes, I've created a short little plan, so I'll just read that out to you. In the facility, you walk through, and every now and then the lights turn off. During this time, a beast appears and tries to kill you. When the lights turn back on, you have to roam around trying to find clues to get out. So what I've done here is I've actually incorporated two games. So for the lights turning on and off, I've used SCP, that SCP game. And for the pages, I've just incorporated a bit of Slenderman. I think this is good, actually. I think the whole plan is good. It gives us, obviously we're not going to release the game, so it gives us like good practice of like. Alright, also what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sectioning out the videos 1 week at a time. So one video. I don't want to overload your brains so you don't kind of forget and you don't learn as much as if I clugged everything all together. So what I'm doing is I'm laying it out. So instead of actually doing everything in like 3 videos, every single thing that we add to the game is going to be a separate video. And I also have another notes saying what each video is, because I don't want you to go to the video and be like, oh, I didn't expect that. I'm going to be reading it out to you here. I'll put it in the description as well. So for part 1, which is this one, is easing the viewer in. Part 2, first person and flashlight. Part 3, making the monster bot disappear when the light turns back on. Part 4 is papers when trying to escape out. Part 5 is loop for making the light turn off and on. Part 6, extra scare, so sounds and ambience, light, reverb, all of that. As well as this in the description, I'm also going to be putting this map in the description, so you can just have this just in your toolbox, just you can pull it out whenever. So yeah, but yeah, I hope that was a nice short introduction to ease yourself into this horror series. I can't wait to make this. Actually, it's gonna be better than the last one, hopefully. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in part